Okay, so how to export your Cascadeur animation using FBX that you can later import to Blender without any add-on. You first need to go to Settings window, and under Application there is Type FBX ASCII. You need to turn it off, and you probably need to switch the FBX up axis to Z, and then you simply just export the scene, and later that you can import it to Blender using the default settings. So you go to your file manager, you search for your file and just hit import, and you see your bones are large because in Cascadeur it uses different unit scale, and the bones that are not in the control rig of the Cascadeur will be scaled up. You also see that the standard model has some issues because some parts of the model are not connected or not weight painted correctly. So you can just simply fix it by selecting those parts of the mesh, and under vertex groups you just search for the stomach vertex group and assign it after you selected it. You need to do it with the skirt and the pants, at least that's how it works for me. If you're using the standard character, you can quickly just add the material. For that you switch to shader editor or open shader editor, create a new material, add a new image texture node, and search for the Cascadeur folder, which is in program files, Cascadeur samples, something like that, and select the correct texture. For the pants and the clothes, it should use the same texture, and for the head you create a new material, also the new image texture, and select the correct texture for the head. And that's it. I hope that helped.